come learn how to put voiceovers in your videos. Yes, I know that you have been watching a lot of videos and there will be voiceover at the background. You'll be thinking and wondering, how did they do these things? How did they do this setting? Yes, I'm going to teach you in this video. But guess what we are going to be using? We are going to be using CapCut. Don't be scared, it's free. It's free. Just go to your app store. If you're using an iPhone, go to your app store and download CapCut. Or if you are using an Android phone, go to your Play Store and download CapCut. It is totally free. Don't be scared. Yes, don't be scared. So I'm going to be teaching you in this video how to put voiceovers in your videos and also how to put sounds, all those message sounds you see on videos. I'm going to teach you how to do all of that with the use of CapCut. So if you feel this video is what you will love to watch, please subscribe and like and still share this video so I to get to a whole lot of people that don't know about this CapCut voiceover. So now guys, let's dive straight to our CapCut. I'm using this thumbnail. I don't know why, I just feel like I should just use this thumbnail for this tutorial because it's not talking, so that you will just hear what I have to say in this video, right? So guys, if you are still watching this video to this extent, please a thumbs up and subscribe. So now let's dive into the video. You see where edit, audio, text, overlay, effects and all, which I've talked about that in my other video. So now let's click on audio, because why we are doing voiceovers in this video, right? So once you click on audio, you're going to see sounds, brand music, copyright, sound FX, extract and text to audio and record. You click on record, right? So you click on this verse here, you click on record. See, it's already recording, right? So let's just see what we have recorded so far. If you want to increase the volume of the voiceover, you click on voiceover, you click on this volume, you increase the voice and you can reduce it, right? So if you want to like split, you can also split the voiceover and all that, right? So now let's play our voiceover. See, it's already recording, right? So this is it, right? So let's just say now you want to, let's write text, so that we'll add text, like add sounds to the text. So let's write Lizzie. Of course it's gonna be my name, Lizzie the creator, Lizzie the creator, Lizzie the creator. Click on it here. Then you already know how to change your fonts, right? You click on this, bring it here. Let me just bring it here so you click on animation, whichever sound you want. But we are going to do this text we just right here now. We are going to put sound to it, so as if it's typing and it's making that sound when it wants to appear on your video. So now we are going to look for the animation that the text will be coming in one after the other. Let me just take my time to search this well. Click on it. So now it will bring it here. So we want to add sounds to this text, right? So we'll come to this place and we click on our audio, then you click on sounds. Then you come to this place to start typing sounds. Typing sound. Click on it. It will bring you to this place where you see different types of typing sounds. Let's click on this. Now let's choose any of these. Choose this one. So see, it's already recording. This is all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video, right? Just like how I enjoyed teaching you guys. So if you feel this video was helpful, please like, subscribe and share this video so to get to a whole lot of people. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. One love guys. Bye. See you on my next video.